Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the Amazon Echo Show 8 speaker. This is a smart speaker with a smart display. So basically what it does is that this is a device which supports the Alexa voice assistant capability, but you also have the smart display that lets you do a host of features and also control your smart home ecosystem through the device itself, and you can actually see a lot of things including do video calls through the Alexa app. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Echo Show 8 from Amazon. So as you can see, this is the Echo Show 8 box from Amazon, and it's quite a nifty box, but when you see the size of the device, you'll probably be like, it looks quite big, but it's quite feature packed as well, which we'll talk about it. It's given on the box itself actually. So what Amazon says is that this is a 8-inch HD screen. So now HD screen means you get 720 by 1280 pixels resolution, and that's quite decent for the size that you're getting, and it's good for you to do HD video calls that we'll talk about in a bit. It's got this camera with a built-in cover. So now privacy is a big thing with smart devices, and Amazon is making sure, so just in case you're not using the speaker and you don't want the camera to be looking at your surroundings, what you can just do is you can just flip in that cover, and then what you can do is you can just block the camera's view for everything. Then it's got stereo speakers, so it's really important that you have the smart display device and it's got decent stereo speakers. That means if you want to watch videos through a different kind of video streaming apps, you can do that using the Echo Show 8 itself. Then it's got 3.5mm audio out. So this is something important because let's say you don't want to use wireless connectivity and you are more convenient or more comfortable using it in the wired way, then you have the 3.5mm audio out. You just connect your 3.5mm cable and it works accordingly. Then you have Bluetooth support as well, so wireless connectivity is definitely there. So there are different options that Amazon is offering for Echo Show 8, and I think it's good to have that way. Then you have far field voice control. Far field voice control is something, now since this is a smart device which supports voice assistant, it's really important that it's able to hear your voice even when you are far away from the speaker, and far field voice control does that for you quite easily. And then you have this microphone and camera on off button, which we talked about. Privacy is a big thing with Amazon, and they want to make sure that your privacy is intact even when this device is there in your house. So that's about it in terms of the features that's given on the box. Now let's just open the box and see what all Amazon is offering with the Echo Show 8. As you can see, it's quite a meaty device, I must say, because it's got this display and it's got the speakers. So you get a lot of features built into this, and Amazon has neatly wrapped this inside this case over here, which we'll just take out. And so yeah, so this is what you get inside the box with this. So this is the Echo Show 8 from Amazon. As you can see, this has got this 8-inch display, and this is the speaker. It's got this nice fabric finish, and you got these ports at the back. This runs through a power source as well. So you got this power point, and then you have this micro USB port over here. That's again for different kind of connectivity. And then you have the 3.5mm connector. You have these volume control buttons at the top along with the camera cover, and you can just press this over here, and once you do that, then the camera is blocked. And same is the case with the microphone off button, which is there right next to the volume controls. So this is the smart speaker, and then in addition to this you get this adapter. So as we mentioned that this smart speaker only works through a power source, so you need to make sure that this point is connected to the power point on the speaker, and the other one goes into a plug point, a standard plug point that you get, and it supports 15 watt output. That's what Amazon is saying. So you just need to connect it that way and it will start working. So this is in terms of the box that you get with the Echo Show 8 speaker. So as you can see, Amazon is making sure that there's not a lot of stuff inside the box, so it's very easy for you to get started. You have the Echo Show 8 speaker over here. It's got this 8-inch HD screen display with a camera button out for extra privacy features. You have this adapter over here, which is a power adapter. One of this port goes to the back of the speaker, and then this goes into the power source. Then you have the basic user guide manual that lets you go through to understand how the speaker works, how do you sign into your Amazon ID, how you use services, so on and so forth. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.